we are on the road again. You probably see my beard grew a little bit, but we're just leaving the shop. We've got to run out and grab the old Cherokee and head out towards Sand Hollow for a mired in some sort of SUV. I seen a picture of it. Not sure, must have been having a little too much fun. We had our first rainstorm since May 10th, so everything is wet. I think everybody got all excited and went and got their Jeeps and their trucks and whatever and went and bombed around in it a little bit. So gonna get out there and get them taken care of and get back in the shop and fix a few cars. We'll take you along for the ride. Let's go, Pooch. Come on, miss. Coming with? Of course you are.
Apartment's flooded and stuff too.
We even got a trailer hitch on it.
Woohoo!
How about that?
Usually I've got my full-size spare with it too, but
somehow I just hung up on Eric. Oh well.
He's even got the stickers. Him and Kobe could be friends.
Bombed a little up on the roof too.
yeah.
And he's got racks too of whatever he hauls around. Kayaks, is that what yours are?
Yeah.
Hello. Yo.
I thought your battery was dead.
Oh, no. It's got 258,000 miles. It's a little old.
It probably does too over there, but you know.
All right, just get in there and just drive it. Put it in reverse. Just don't run my rope over. Why don't I just pull you straight back?
Okay.
And then you can go get turned around right there to go up through there.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, he did a good job.
He was talking a little bottomed out.
Yeah.
Wowzers.
The brakes are full of sand now. They're going to sound amazing for a while.
Oh yeah, first thing I'm doing is driving to car wash.
Car wash.
Because Lord only knows you can't wash your car in the driveway. It's free.
Oh my gosh, I can't even imagine. They got mad at me because it drips a little oil and it dripped a little on like that part of the cement you can see that's not on the road.
Ooh.
And they tried writing me a ticket. I went out and just threw it in the trash. Pretty bad. But you got
He's mobbing him. I'll have to worry about him getting stuck again. Dixie Springs. Place. Getting outran by a Subaru. This is ridiculous. down there and my tires.
Yeah, I know. I feel it. The camera's got a foot either direction moving.